Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is a special day, day 10 of my cubing journey. Let's talk about the cube I've been using, the Super RS3M 2022. It's budget-friendly and loaded with features, but it's had its ups and downs. I'll share all the details. My cubing adventure started around 3 months ago. After 2 months of learning, I had an idea. Why not create a YouTube series called Day 1 of Learning How to Solve a Rubik's Cube and go from there? The reason? Well, when I started cubing, there wasn't much content like that on YouTube. At first, it was like solving a new puzzle every day, and it was a blast. But after a few days, things got tricky. The cube didn't work as smoothly as I thought, with lockups, catches, and blocky movies. Did I give up? No P. I started with the beginner CFOP method. It helped me understand how the cubie works and get those basic movies down. Then, I tackled the advanced CFOP method. It's not as tough as it sounds. The best part? I've mastered the full PLL. Don't be scared by the name. It's like unlocking secret moves that make your solves smoother and faster. It's like learning magic tricks for your cube. So, after 3 months of dedication, I'm now averaging around 22 seconds per solve. That's right, from a complete beginner to sub-22 in just 90 days. The journey is the most exciting part of cubing, and it's all about practice, perseverance, and a lot of fun. Whether you're a 10-year-old just starting out or someone older who found the joy of cubing, remember that everyone's cubing journey is unique. Those initial challenges with your cube, they're part of the adventure. Thanks for joining me on my cubing adventure. If you want to see more of my journey or learn cool cubing tricks, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep on cubing, keep on learning, and remember, if you have suggestions for tutorial videos, comment down below. I'll check them out and create new videos. See you in the next video. Now enjoy the solves!